In a quiet, snow-covered neighborhood, a group of friends stumbles upon something extraordinary. A glowing red postbox.
Look, it's glowing.
Probably just a trick.
I don't know. It feels special.
As she drops her letter, a golden shimmer dances out of the mailbox, and faint jingling bells are heard.
Did you see that? It's magic.
They all drop their letters in, but Anna realizes hers doesn't shimmer away like the others.
Wait, my letter, it didn't go through.
Later that night, the kids return to the postbox to investigate.
Maybe the mailbox doesn't like your handwriting.
What's wrong with it?
Suddenly, the mailbox glows brighter and a tiny elf pops out, adjusting a crooked hat.
Ho ho, hollyberries. Looks like we have a missing letter.
Who are you?
I'm Twinkle, Santa's top post elf. And we've got a problem. Anna's letter didn't make it to the workshop.
Twinkle uses magic to transport them to the North Pole. The North Pole post office, filled with sorting machines, flying letters, and busy elves.
It's like a dream.
Look, that machine is stuck.
They see Anna's letter stuck in the gears of a glowing sorting machine. Sparks fly as elves rush to fix it.
If we don't fix this soon, Santa won't get your letter in time.
The kids team up with Twinkle. Tommy pulls levers, Lila untangles ribbons, and Anna uses a magical toolkit. The machine sputters and roars back to life, shooting out Anna's letter into Santa's golden bag.
We did it.
The room falls silent as Santa enters, his laughter echoing warmly.
Ho, ho, ho! What's this? My helpers have brought me a very special letter.
I just wanted to make sure you knew my Christmas wish.
I always hear your wishes, but your teamwork and kindness made this Christmas even brighter.
He hands each child a tiny star ornament that glows faintly.
These are for your trees at home to remind you of tonight's magic.
The kids are whisked back to their neighborhood, the stars still glowing.
Holding her star. It's like a piece of the North Pole came with us.
I'm starting to think magic might be real after all.
Best Christmas ever.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.